Alright. Excuse me. Okay. Alright, so here's another update. I put all of the original hardware together. Everything that had come out of that other case. You know, from the very beginning of all of this. And as you see here, it is running Windows XP. So the computer does work. It just doesn't seem to want to install Windows 10 or something like that. I'm not quite sure. It's weird. I haven't ever run into quite a situation where trying to install an operating system would bring up that orange screen. So what I decided to do was try putting the operating system on this drive that was installed in there inside this other computer here. It's a Dell. It's an older socket 775 Intel machine. You know, so close enough to that Windows 10 might not notice a difference because I didn't do the complete install. I just started the install, and so when I put this in there and I start the machine up, I'm hoping it'll just pick up from where it left off and finish the install and actually install Windows 10 onto that machine. Because for whatever reason, trying to boot to a Windows 10 operating system on a CD was not working. But the computer does work. Here we are with Windows 10. And, I mean, you can see there. So my plan here, like I said, is to pretty much shut this thing down, install the other hard drive, and see what happens. Alright, be back in a bit. Right, so I put that hard drive in to try to boot Windows 10 off of it. And like I said, I had originally started the install on another Intel machine, but I didn't let it finish the install. I just got it to the point where, you know, it would restart and do the install. So it should try and boot into Windows 10 here. See what happens. Oh, see, it tried to boot into Windows 10. I'm at a loss here. I don't understand. And you know, the strangest thing is, I did some research, and online there's a lot of people who have been having random difficulties with this particular motherboard, the P5L D2. But as you saw, it runs Windows XP just fine. So I guess I'm stuck putting Windows 7 on here if I can. Or I'm going to try going Linux, I guess. Like the most newest Linux possible or something. Because this is ridiculous. It really should run Windows 10, but for whatever reason it just doesn't. Well, that's that. Thanks for coming along. I guess this calls this an, you know, the end, until I at least figure out a different operating system or something. But this did not pan out well at all. No, it didn't pan out well at all. I mean, it looks nice. It's a sweet, nice little build. But yeah, that's that.